Hello all. I hope you guys are doing great. So welcome back to our channel Oracle CPQ Gurus. So we are going to discuss about the today we are going to discuss about how to switch the Redwood UI in Oracle CPQ. So this feature is going to be available in next release like 25D. So whoever have the access for the 25D, they can able to use this feature. So currently we are going to discuss about this features. So let me back to my screen. So before that, I want to thank you all the guys because if you see here, we have started this Oracle CPQ like a LinkedIn community 1 year back. Today, the successfully it got complete. It has completed 1 year with 300 people. So I want to thank the each and every people who are in our group. So let me come to the one of the point. So if you see the here, I have shared the post, right? So till now we got the 19 votes. I used to thank each and every person who are vote. So I am expecting the more votes. So then I can know the to contribute the more to the community. So apart from that, previously we have done the topic on the how to configure the model in Oracle CPQ using the REST API. I hope you guys practice. Otherwise, it will take only the 8 minutes. Just try and let me know your comments whether you can able to got the output or not. Whether you can able to successfully configure through the Postman. So today deep dive into today topic. Let me open the administrator platform. So this is my site. If you see, this is the old UA. So now I'm going to switch to the new UA. So let's see how we can able to switch that. If you see that, click on that administrator gear icon. So after that, if you see there is a top, there is a switch to Redwood, right? In a option, you just click on that option. So switch to Redwood. So after clicking the switch to Redwood option, it will land into the new Redwood page. Previously, the Redwood has given only for the quote list page in commerce, but now they have bring this feature to all complete like all the things like in admin configuration, integration, the codes, prices, whatnot, like developer tools and settings, integration, users. Okay, let's go to the each section. Let's see the what are the changes they have newly given in the Redwood here, the features. So first, I was just going to the products, right? So if you click these three dots, you can able to check that which one like do you want to go to BOM or eligibility rules or part custom fields or parts or intelligence portal. Now I'm just go. Let's go to the each of them. So let me go to the BOM. So if you click on the BOM, you will get this BOM root list item, root tables, and you can declare the function also. Already the existing one, how you have the existing, the same thing. They did not change anything here. They just changed the template to the Redwood. So let me click on the cancel. So this is the one thing for the BOM, right? So let me click to like the same way for the eligibility rules parts, right? Let us go for the eligibility rules. One second, I think this annotate. Let's clear this annotate. Okay, let me. I think it's taking some time because the new Redwood layout, right? It's taking some time. So meanwhile, we'll go to the some other steps. So if you open this administrator in the con products, let us see how we can able to create a new product like a family line and model in the configuration. Let me click on this configuration is there, right? I need to click on that. Let me click on this configuration. So if you see here, the configuration, you can able to see your, it's like a search bar. You can able to search our product families or let me click on my already existing one. I have created newly previously. So let me click on my Oracle Gurus. Okay, let me Oracle Redwood. So I think I have given, okay, Oracle CPQ Gurus, right? Okay. Let me click on Oracle CPQ Gurus. If you see here, it's just filter out our product family, product line, and model also. So it's like a simple search. It's like a administration wise they have given, like you can able, if you have the lots of families, right? Then if you don't know the right mix of your product, your family, you can able to simply search here and you can able to filter it out. If you have the if you are the more like 15, 20 like a families or lines or models, you can able to do that. For example, if you want to, if you are, it's for the existing one is like simple try to switch, right? If you want to create a new one, how you will create? If you see here, there is a add product family, right? From here you need to click on this button. See, once you click on this button, the new family will be the created. Let's see how you can able to create that family. So let me click on that annotate tab. Okay, so let me click on this add product family. If you see here, the left in the right side, one page is open, right? You can able to add a product family. So let me click on that. Okay, let me click on that Oracle Redwood demo. Oracle Redwood demo. Let me keep like that Oracle Redwood demo. So after that, you just click on that variable name will be copied. So after that, you just click on the create button. So once you click the create button, your respective product family is the created. Now you need to create the product line, right? So let me click on here, definition. So you need to add the product line. Sorry, this is the coming to the button, right? So these are the attributes. You just leave about the attributes. Um, oh yeah, you just simply click the create button. Oracle Redwood demo is already used. Please select the another variable name. Okay, got it. Server side code, right? I am just giving that Oracle admin demo guru. So guru, let me give that. Okay, now it's got created. Let's wait for a few minutes. Expecting it's got created. Let us see here. If you see here, top notch that is giving the two pending deployments are there. I mean, so we have created newly, right? If you see here, this is the one last we have created, right? We just need to click on that. If you see here, you just click on here and just click on the three dots. If you see here, there is a deployment button center, right? Click on that. You just click on that. Here I have like the one feature. You can able to schedule your deployment also. And previously we will just get only the time, right? Time, date, and here we cannot able to schedule the whenever you want, right? So just click on the deploy. So if you see here down, the same way how the previously is, you will get, right? The same way you got the name, execution time, and the status. Here we have the refresh button. You can just click the refresh. Now the deployment was done. Oracle Redwood demo. Okay. Yeah, this is our add to catalog button. You can create the you can create for this family, you can create the lines model and the configuration attributes rules. Let me create on the add to catalog. So after clicking on the add to catalog, for our family, we have the zero lines and zero models because we just created only the family, right? Now let's create the product line and model. So let me create this product line. So let me click on this into button. So you can here onwards also you can able to deploy, you can remove the catalog, you can also delete um, product family created for a family. So let me click on this three edit button. So if you see here, there is a add button. So you can click on that product line. So in this way you can able to add the product line. So let me create that Oracle demo CPQ gurus. So let it be like that. So it is the easy for us. So you can, if you want, you can able to give the description for that. This is the advanced one. This is the basic, and if you can give the advanced one, but here currently it's a demo feature, right? I think advanced they did not given, they just given as. So let me click on that create button. So you need to click on this create button. So let me unput it. So yeah, here you need to click on this button. So after clicking on this button, it will create the product line. So let me click on this create button. Now successfully the product line has created. We have the product line. Then next what we need to do? Next we need to create a product line. Already we have created the product line, right? Now we need to create the product family. So let me click on that. Let me. So this is our. So this is our product line. If you see here, we have created a family of Oracle demos. If you see here, we have created the Oracle demos as family. Second, we have created the Oracle demos as the family, and the product line is Oracle demos. So after that, we need to create a product line, product model. Sorry. Let me. This is like we can able to search like that. So let me check how we can create the product um, model. How to create a product model. So let me, if you want to create an attribute for the line, you can simply click on this plus symbol. You can able to create a attribute. Whether you, if you are going to, but here I have observed one thing, right? It is asking the what is your configuration level, whether you are going to create in the family, whether you're going to create in a line, you need to select. This is the new change. Previously, we don't have how we no need to select the because we'll directly go to that product respect to product family. We'll just create an attribute now, but it is asking. But now it's a new feature. It's just needs to ask in at what configuration level you need to create. So after that, you need to just give the attribute name how you are previously created, like the same way you need to give the variable name. So you need to select the category, whether it's the configuration, whether it's like a secure attribute. Previously, you have the secure attribute, right? Like that only. So you need to click on the display, whether it's single select, multi select, single select, pick list. What is the data? What is your data type? Whether it's going to text, float, integer, or anything like a HTML. So it's like a property, how it should have to behave this attribute. You need to just, it should be like a required one mandatory field, or it should be like a hidden auto update. So if you click on the advanced properties, the set type, what it's a none or set or forced set, what is it's like if you see that just display type, how it should be display. So I hope that in future maybe they will give like the same way like jet display type, and then like that only I think they will can give the option called a Redwood display type. Let's see how they will give that, whether they will give or not. Currently they did not given, but I'm hoping that they might be give that option. So if you click the just create, the attribute will be create. Let me create one attribute. So what is the attribute name? So let me create like a channel name. So let me create like a channel name. So your variable name, this is not a mandatory, right? I'm just I want to just create in the line label, so I'm just clicking the line label. So let me, it's like a text attribute, this text one. So I just want to create it. So let me search like my attribute, whether it's got created or not. Channel name, right? Let me click on the channel name. So if you see here, it is you need to click on this configurable attribute so we can open, because previously we are checking in the like what we can see in the family level. So as I am also new to this like Redwood, right? In the starting we might get some confusion, so yeah, you can ignore this guys. So after that we just land into the line level, right? Let us create a model. So same way we have the option called product model in the ad. So let me, so if you see here, it is the model, right? So let me, so click on this model. So Let me clear all my trainings because it's not good, right? So you need to give the basic details. What is your configuration level? So first it's a family, right? It is a family. It is a line. So after line only, right, we are going to create. So we need to give the name. The variable name automatically it will be populated once you give the name. Description is not a mandatory one. It's not a mandatory field. So it's like a same way how you have the previously, right? It's like you can able to give the self-service, or it's like you can ignore as of now. So let me clear my drawings. Okay. Let me click on into symbol. So let me give me the okay. Let me give the fam like a model, right? Let me give that Oracle CPQ APQ Gurus model. Let me give some model. It will. So after that, I just same way the previously how it's like advanced future, how it will have currently the same way. You can able to give the partner organization ID, partner ID, or self-service. If it is a self-service, we can able to give the part number also. So let me create. Click on the create. So if you see here, we have just created a like a product family line model. Now we need to give the deployment. So click on this deployment and deploy the product, like sorry, let's deploy the catalog definition. So click on that. We just added that. If you see here, we have successfully like deployed our product family line model. So the how to create the attribute also. So you can the same way. If you see here left side, right, left side, right, there is actions also. If you click on that action, you can directly simply click on action and you can able to add the action also. I just adding the action called clear. So let me click the clear. And if you observe here, there is a translation also. There is a translation one. If you click that, you can able to select the your respective language, what it should have to display, whether it's a Japanese, whether it's like a what we can say like Spanish, French, whatever maybe you can able to select here. So after that, let me click on that save. Once you click the save, what happened? I just created an action also. So if you see here, if you don't want, you can able to click on this three dots and you can able to delete also. Okay. After that, the rules. If you click on that rules, you can able to create a rules. There is a plus symbol right here rule. They have simply given that we can able to identify the rule. So just click on here the rule one. So if I click on this plus icon, you can able to create a new rule. Here you should have to div. Here what we can say we just came this label right. It will show that you need to select that which like a which rule you need to write. By constraint or recommendation or hiding or pricing or bill of materials. So you need. I am just here. I'm just a recommendation. Writing the recommendation right. Um, Recommended channel name. So let me recommended channel name. So it is my rule. So yeah, it's like if you click on that Ajax enabled. So if you don't want, you can able to uncheck this Ajax enabled also. So if you these are you can ignore this effective start date and date. It's not necessary. The similar way the previously how we have that right. The same way we have the condition type like a true or simple or advanced. So if it's advanced, you need to click on this define BML function. You can able to write your logic. So after that, the action type, which action type you are going to set this value. So let me click on this add recommendation, right? What is my attribute? My attribute is like channel name, right? Let me click this channel name. You can able to search here. If you see here, I got my. So what value type you are going to give that? I was just giving the simple value to set. I was just giving that Oracle CPQ Gurus to display. So I was just clicking on the set. So I was just clicking on the create. So after that, you need to click on the create. So then our role will be created. If you see here, the new role was created, the recommended channel name. So in this way, you can able to create a rule. Whatever the rule you can able to create, you can need to just click on this rule plus symbol, and you can able to do that. So after that, let me click on the deployment center. So we can able to deploy it. So I just click on the deployment. So its rule was successfully added, right? And we have successfully deployed. See, in the configuration, you guys are previously known, right? Without now clicking on, without if whenever you made some changes, right, you need to do the deployment. It's like a mandatory one. It's a basic one. So after that, you want to create a layout. If you go to here, like in left side, if you see the configuration flow, this is the one for the layout. This is the one for the layout. So let me click on the configuration flow so you can able to understand. So let me click on this configuration flow. The same how the previously, like you just need to click on this plus symbol configuration flow. So after clicking the configuration, you need to create your rule. What is your like let me create like a rule Oracle CPQ layout, Oracle CPQ Gurus layout. So let me click on the variable name. So just if you want, you can give the simple condition. Then it's like a what type of the node. I'm just giving the start node. So I'm just clicking the save. So if you see here, this is the page. This is our layout page. So what we need to going to add. So this is our page, right? So let me. So So here we have the options, right? If you see there's a plus symbol, you need to add what are the layout elements. For example, I need the grid. So I'm just adding the grid. I want the spacer. I was just adding the spacer, the same way how the previously. If you want, you can able is here the thing was these are the displayed attributes. So these are the next what are the available attributes. We have these are the available attributes. So these are the layout. If you don't want this, we can able to delete also. So let me add an attribute. Click on the attribute. So my attribute is like channel one. So let me type the channel one. Channel name, right? So we can add the some attribute like variable name. So you can able to customize the column also. If you want, you can able to click this care symbol and you can able to customize you can able to add the all fields also. The basic properties, advanced properties of that column. So if you click here, this is save. So if you want to translate the this layout, right? You can able to select the perspective language here. What are, if you want to, these are the available language. If you are not finding any of your language, you can able to you can raise an SR for that. So these are the manage rules. So we have created our layout rule, right? This is our rule. It is showing. So let me let me add an attribute. Let me add this any of this attribute. So in this way, I just added, right? After that, you just click on the save. After clicking on the save, you can, if you click here, we can able to see that layout properties, how it is going to, what is the size of the panel, and you can able to preview also the template, how it will be going to look. In the layout itself, you can able to preview that. So you can click on the admin. So this is a quick intro about the configuration. Let's deep dive into the commerce. If you see here, the codes is there, right? This is the commerce process. You just click, if you click on here, you will go to the process action, invocation also. You can have the, you can create the rules, you can invocate from the config to commerce. So I'm just clicking on the codes. Let me open to the config, like a commerce process. If you want to create a new commerce process, right, you just click on this button, and you need to, if you click on this button, right, so you can able to give this name, variable name, and you just click on the create. So after that, if you already have just created a commerce process, so let me, this is my Oracle CPQ Gurus Redwood testing is right. You just click on, I just clicking the deployment because it's a pending deployment, right? I'm just clicking the deployment to do the commerce process. See what type of action you're going to perform. Here it's a deployment. If you want to clone the process, you can just click on it, remove the transactions, you want to delete the process. So first, let's want to create deploy the process. I'm just deploying the process because I already created, right? It's existing process. So just clicking the deployment. So let me refresh it. Meanwhile, let's go to that preview option. If you see here, in this way, it will be like a preview for us. We can able to check the layout. So let me complete this one. Okay, it will take some time. Meanwhile, we'll just go through the commerce process. So let me click on this Oracle Guru, like Redwood testing one. So this is the one we need to click it. So if you see here, the our commerce process got we have successfully landed into our commerce process, and here you can able to manage your what data, what type of data columns can visible on the codes in the transaction, what are the process action. Yeah, from here you can able to control it, you can able to add, you can able to remove. Let's see that few, let's see how you can able to do that. So if you click on the, this is our commerce process. So if you click on the manage data columns, right, if you want to add some data column, right, if you need to click the plus icon here. If you want to add some fields like some data column attributes, you can just click on here, and you can just give the label name, and you need to label on the you need to map the attribute. You're just giving, it's like a label name is like a dummy one, dummy name going to visible. So you're just going to the main attribute. So if I just wanted to create owner, like a owner, right? I want to know the owner of owner, who is the owner of this code. I'll just map it to this, to this attribute map. So in similar way, you can able to like we can able to add the process action also. So I don't want this like a attribute. I just want to remove it. It's unnecessary. So I just if you want to click the, if you just click the delete, it will be deleted. So if you want to, like if you want to give the access, if you can able to give that access also, who we need to give the access. If I click that access, right, you can able to, you can able to give this access based upon the groups, the field. Understand, right? Okay. So here also you can able to, if you see here, you can able to deploy the, it is a deployment center. We can able to deploy it. So let me click on, it's a about of our commerce process. What? So after that, if you see, it's a main managed transaction, right? It's a main document. The transaction lane is a sub document. If I click on this managed transaction, right, you can able to perform. You can able to add the attributes. if you want to create a new attribute right in common, you just click on this attribute. So you can able to create an attribute. So currently I was not creating an attribute or action because to the time being. So if you want to create, you can create. You just click on the plus symbol. You can create the action. You can create the library also. You just click on this create library, and you can able to create the library also. Okay, you can able to create the new library also. So if you want to create some rules like hiding, like constraint, whatever the rules, see, subject to correction, it's got changed, right? It's the access one. So if you want, you can create the validation also. These are the rule types how we can create previously. The similar we can able to create here also. So if you see the here it manage transaction related, it's like a line level, like a subdocument level. The same similar way, the same similar type of how you can create attributes, actions, rules. Here the one rule will be increased compared to the main document. So you can just click on the same way how you created in the main document. The steps they are they have bring the new change in the steps. If you click on the steps, right? If you see here. This is like what we can say. You can able to zoom the steps. You can able to what we can say. It is called a process builder. It's like a process visual builder something. So you can able to check the which step is linked to the which action. What is the profile? It's similar like a flow diagram. You can able to simply identify. And all if you want in the all profiles, you can. Otherwise, if you want only the admin just in admin profile what are the going to do. I just need the in the start step what it is going to do, the admin profile. Okay, let me if you can able to enlarge also. Just if you see here, this is the way what it is going to do. If they perform the save action, it's like a where it's going from start to end, the admin process, right? It is the way you can able to click here also, zooming and zoom out. They just given the sidebar, we can able to zoom in and zoom out. So these are the changes they have bring in the what we can say in steps. They brought this change in the step change. So this is the way in the commerce, right? Let's see the another thing also. Let me click on here. So after that, the view templates. This is for the your document and the email templates. Your document designer, it's like a document templates and what we can say. Let me click on that. This is the formulas. So this is the analytics. You guys, you can go through this each like a one section. You can able to you can able to see if you guys notice anything new. So if you click on the views and templates, right, you can able to create like if you click on this button, right, you can able to create a template. It's like a rich text editor. You can able to create a template. So if you don't want, you can just click on that cancel. How you can able to create your own document designer template. Let me click on that documents. If you see here, you just click on the document plus symbol. You just create a template. How you will create like the similar way. Let me create like a demo. So what type of language you want? So I just want the English, right? So just click on the English. So I just wanted to click on the multiple languages also. So just I was just wanted to track the changes. So I just create a template. It's like our document is it's a document designer template. So I think I just got some error. Okay, somehow I'm just facing some errors and it's like a demo. It's like a demo, right? So we may face some errors. So let me give some other name for the template. Let me give, okay, you are facing some, we are getting some, let us check with the product team. Okay. Those same similar way you can able to create the email templates also. and you can able to map to your printer friendly. Here it's like a printer friendly Excel views. You can able to create your printer friendly Excel, and you can able to map your document from here. So let me click on the cancel. So this is the integration center. You can able to go through if you want to create some new integration, right? For our commerce process, you just click on the add. You just click on it, so whether it's like a import, export, or upside, like a REST. You can able to select the integration type. So this is the commerce style sheets. So this is the formulas management. You can able formula management. You can able to create your formulas from here. So this is the quick overall like a overall input on the commerce. The main feature I just liked from this Redwood, right? From this new Redwood, I just like the one feature. I wanted to tell you that feature. If you, for example, if you click on this Oracle open ask to Oracle, right? If you click on this open ask to Oracle, you just able to search whatever you want. For example, I want the only the users. So let me type the users, and if I search, right, I was just getting the users. So I want the catalog definition or something. So just type the catalog. You can able to search. I just want what we can say the configurations. So if I click on the configuration, right, you can click on the create rule. You can ask the create rule. If you see here, you can click the create BML. So it's like a search board. So you can ask the Oracle, and it will because of these things, right? The search criteria, what we can say them, it is like a simplified UA for the admin. So this is the one of the change they brought in this Redwood. It's like a open ask to Oracle. So if you want to use this, if you want to try this feature, right, you just need to drop down here, and after the drop down, right, you just need to select this field. So you just need to click this, right? You just need to let me. So this is the arrow where I am just pointing out, right? You need to select that one. So let me select this field. So let me select this field. So let me select this field. So you can able to see that in this frame. So it is open Oracle Ask. So this is about the Redwood UI. I think you guys just to try this Redwood UI. If you guys have any doubts or any challenges, let it post it down in the comments, and let us ask the Oracle product team, and let's come something about the solution. And one thing I want to discuss about it, one question for the Oracle team from my end, right? I was just thinking in the commerce, right? I previously told you that we need to input all the fields in the quote list in the my quote while creating the transaction. So instead of that, if they can brought the similar, if they brought instead of Jet UA, if they brought the same thing in the what we can say Redwood layout, it will be the easy for the admin. Again, the we know team put all this thing here. It's not like a. I feel personally, it's like a little bit like confusing. So this is the one thing I want to convey through this video. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys are enjoy the Redwood